Looking for the perfect place to stay? Welcome to Getaway Compass, your trusted guide to the best hotels, resorts, and travel destinations. If you're planning a Dominican Republic vacation, you're probably searching for the best Punta Cana all-inclusive resorts. But the truth is, not all of them are worth your time. So, to save you hours of searching, we've done the research for you and break down the top 10 Punta Cana all-inclusive resorts, from the best family-friendly spots to the most exclusive adults-only escapes. In this Part 1 video, we're starting with resorts number 10 to number 6, giving you the key highlights, who each resort is best for, and what makes them worth for you or your family. Starting off at number 10. Welcome to Occidental Punta Cana, a beachfront resort sitting right on the powder-soft sands of Playa El Cortecito, one of the most postcard-perfect beaches in all of Punta Cana. This is the kind of place where the atmosphere feels warm, tropical, and full of life, without the premium price tag. Recently renovated, the resort now features 860 fresh, modern rooms, all with balconies or terraces that overlook lush gardens, sparkling pools, or the Caribbean breeze drifting through the palms. But what really makes Occidental Punta Cana shine is the variety. You're getting 11 dining options here, including 7 a la carte restaurants with Italian, Mexican, steakhouse favorites, fresh seafood, and a lively buffet with a ton of choices. There are 10 bars spread throughout the property, so you're never too far from a tropical drink or a quiet spot to unwind. And because this is an all-inclusive experience, most of what you'll enjoy here is already part of the stay. Meals, drinks, snacks, non-motorized water sports, nightly entertainment, and access to one of Punta Cana's most famous nightlife spots, the Mongu nightclub, where guests can dance the night away with local drinks included. During the day, you can jump into 3 large swimming pools, stroll along the wide beachfront, or try out kayaking, windsurfing, snorkeling, boogie boarding, or even join a dance or aerobics class right by the water. Families will love it here too. There's a mini club for kids aged 4 to 12, open from 9 a.m. until 11 p.m., plus a kids' pool, hands-on activities, and a nightly mini disco at the theater. Parents get to relax, while kids get to burn off all that energy. And if you want to take things a little more upscale, Occidental Punta Cana offers a premium upgrade called the Royal Level, complete with private check-in, premium drinks, an exclusive restaurant, a private beach section, and concierge service. It turns the resort into a more personalized, boutique-style experience without leaving the property. Travelers who want a beautiful beach, lots of food options, great entertainment, and a laid-back atmosphere, all at a very friendly price, will really love this place. If you want Punta Cana without overextending your budget, Occidental Punta Cana is a strong start to our top 10. Coming in at number 9, if you're traveling with kids or just want non-stop fun, Royalton Splash Punta Cana is one of the best family resorts in the Caribbean, and here's why. This place is home to one of the largest water parks in the entire region. We're talking giant twisting slides, splash zones, and a full wave pool. The kind of setup where your kids will keep saying, "Just one more ride," even after the sun goes down. The resort features 525 rooms and suites, spread across palm-lined pathways and tropical courtyards. It's lively, bright, and built for families who love energy and variety. You'll have access to 7 dining options and 5 bars, serving everything from casual snacks to buffet spreads and a la carte favorites. And here's a great bonus. Guests staying at Royalton Splash also get access to neighboring Royalton Punta Cana, adding even more restaurants, bars, and entertainment to your stay. During the day, the fun goes way beyond the water park. Kids can join supervised activities at the Kids Club, while teens get their own space for video games, tournaments, and themed events. Meanwhile, grown-ups can join Royalton Fit workouts, tennis matches, beach volleyball games, or head to the nearby pool for a quiet break. And if you want something more immersive, this resort has interactive experiences like Oculus Quest VR Adventures and the Temple of Secrets escape room. where your family can solve puzzles and race the clock together. These are optional add-ons, so they're available if you want that extra dose of fun. Parents can treat themselves as well. Over at the Royal Spa, you can enjoy massages, hydrotherapy, or beauty treatments while the kids are busy at the water park or kids club. In the evenings, there's always something happening. Shows, music, and family-friendly entertainment. And if you're feeling lucky, the Genesis Casino next door offers slot machines and table games for adults. Optional, of course. This resort is just 25 minutes from Punta Cana International Airport, making it incredibly convenient. You land, check in, and the vacation starts immediately. Royalton Splash Punta Cana is ideal for families who want a fun, energetic escape with huge water park attractions, lots of activities, supervised kids programs, and easy access to multiple Royalton amenities. If you want Punta Cana excitement with comfort, convenience, and tons of family memories, Royalton Splash Punta Cana is a strong pick for your list. At number 8, we're heading to a resort that blends relaxation, color, and that classic Caribbean energy. Welcome to Dreams Royal Beach, Punta Cana, a beachfront escape surrounded by palms, bright gardens, and soft white sand stretching as far as you can see. This resort delivers that perfect balance, peaceful when you want quiet moments, energetic when you want fun, and genuinely welcoming for both adults and families. The resort features 464 spacious suites, each with a furnished balcony or terrace, marble bathrooms, and a fully stocked minibar that's refreshed daily. If you choose a preferred club suite, you'll also get an upgraded lounge, an enhanced minibar, and access to exclusive areas around the property. But where Dreams Royal Beach really shines is in the way it lets you play your way. You can drift across the huge freeform pool, join aqua aerobics, relax in the hot tub, or float over to one of the swim-up bars. Families get their own zones too, from a kids' pool to an activity-packed kids' club and a late-night teens club that's open until midnight. And because this is an unlimited luxury resort, most of what you'll enjoy here is already part of your stay. You get limitless access to gourmet a la carte dining without reservations, plus international top-shelf spirits, fresh juices, 24-hour room service, and daily maid service. The resort has 5 signature restaurants and 8 bars and lounges, including a seafood grill, an Italian venue, an Asian fusion restaurant with teppanyaki tables, and a buffet that stays open for late-night bites. On the water, enjoy kayaking, snorkeling, try intro scuba classes in the pool, or join other non-motorized water activities, all included. Scuba diving and fishing trips are available too if you want to go deeper into the Caribbean, with optional upgrades depending on the adventure. Kids can join the Explorers Club, open from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m., where they enjoy treasure hunts, arts and crafts, games, and even supervised camping nights on the beach. Meanwhile, teens get their own space in the core zone, filled with video games, sports, and nightly events. And when the sun goes down, the entertainment doesn't stop. Dreams Royal Beach features live music, theme nights, beach parties, outdoor movies, a theater with nightly shows, dance classes, and even a nightclub right next door. If you're looking for wellness, the resort offers full access to the nearby Secret Spa by Pavonia, with couples massages, aromatherapy, hydrotherapy pools, waterfall circuits, and beauty treatments. This one's optional, but perfect if you want a little extra pampering. This all-inclusive resort is ideal for families, couples, and groups who want an easy, relaxing, all-inclusive experience with quality dining, friendly service, and plenty of activities without the intensity of a mega resort. It's colorful, modern, and just the right size to feel personal yet full of energy. At number 7, we're heading to a resort that feels exactly like the Caribbean you picture in your mind. Welcome to Iberostar Waves Punta Cana, set right on the iconic shores of Playa Bávaro, one of the most photographed beaches in the Dominican Republic. Surrounded by tall palms, tropical gardens, and wide powder-soft sand, This resort offers a beautiful blend of nature, comfort, and family-friendly fun, all wrapped in Iberostar's signature warm service. Recently refurbished and part of the larger Bavaro complex, Iberostar Waves Punta Cana gives you access to a world of experiences. That includes 6 themed restaurants, 6 bars, a modern fitness center, and a gorgeous pool area framed by tropical scenery. But what makes this resort stand out is its heart. Iberostar has a deep focus on sustainability, and nowhere is that more visible than at their one-of-a-kind coral lab, a living Noah's Ark of coral species, designed to help protect and restore the reefs of Punta Cana. Guests can visit the lab, learn about ocean conservation, and see firsthand how the resort is working to preserve the beauty of the Caribbean. Families will find tons to love here too. The Star Camp program offers creative, nature-focused activities for kids of all ages, whether that's outdoor adventures, games, crafts, or educational moments about the sea. It's fun, it's supervised, and it keeps kids engaged throughout the day. Adults can enjoy everything from tennis and water sports to relaxing treatments at Spa Sensations, where massages, hydrotherapy, and beauty rituals are available if you want to add a little indulgence to your stay. And for golfers, the resort sits right beside an 18-hole PB golf course, one of Punta Cana's hidden gems. Food is also a highlight here. You'll enjoy buffet dining, unlimited specialty dinners, a snack bar, daily refreshed minibar, and bar service with both local and international beverages, most of which is already part of your all-inclusive stay. Depending on the season and restaurant, you can find steakhouse favorites, Asian fusion, seafood grills, or classic Dominican flavors across the property. On the water, guests can enjoy an hour per day of non-motorized activities like kayaking, snorkeling, windsurfing, or sailing. There are also great connections to the Iberostar Dive Center next door, perfect if you want to explore the reefs up close. As the sun sets, the vibe shifts to live shows, dancing, themed nights, and entertainment for every age, all included. Families, couples, and nature lovers who want a scenic beachfront resort with great food variety, eco-friendly values, strong kids programs, and access to one of the best stretches of Playa Bavaro will really love this all-inclusive resort. If you're dreaming of a warm, tropical escape with something meaningful at its core, Iberostar Waves Punta Cana is a beautiful choice. At number 6, we're stepping into adults-only territory. Welcome to TRS Turquesa Hotel, a 5-star, adults-only, all-inclusive resort tucked along the white sands of Playa Bavaro. If you've ever imagined an escape with palm trees, quiet pools, and someone else taking care of every little detail, this is that place. TRS Turquesa is part of a larger Palladium complex, but it feels like its own private world. You get a quiet, boutique-style atmosphere with access to the amenities of 4 connected resorts, which means 40-plus restaurants, bars, and cafes within reach, plus one of the best-equipped sports areas in all of Punta Cana. The resort features spacious suites with king beds, whirlpool tubs, furnished terraces, and, in some categories, swim-up access to semi-private pools. It's designed for couples and adults who want comfort, privacy, and just the right level of indulgence. One of the biggest highlights here is the butler service. From the moment you book, your e-butler can help personalize your stay, arranging dinner reservations, recommending experiences, and even making sure your favorite bottle is waiting in your room. During your visit, your butler can coordinate transport, keep you updated on daily activities, and handle those little details that make everything feel effortless. When it comes to dining, TRS guests are spoiled for choice. You can start the day at Capriccio with a mix of a la carte and self-service dishes. Head to Helios Beach Club for Mediterranean-inspired meals right by the ocean. Enjoy French cuisine at La Bohème, Italian favorites at Tentacion, or Japanese Peruvian fusion at Cusco, all in elegant, adults-only settings. And because of the infinite indulgence concept, Most meals, drinks, and a la carte experiences across the complex are already part of your stay. If you're into shows and nightlife, there's one experience that stands out. The famous Chic Cabaret and Restaurant, an immersive dinner and show with singers, dancers, acrobats, and a multi-course tasting menu. TRS guests receive a complimentary ticket, but there's a reservation fee and optional upgrades if you want premium drinks. It's one of those only in Punta Cana evenings people talk about long after they get home. Around the resort, you'll find multiple pools, beach areas reserved for TRS guests, and extensive sports facilities, from tennis and paddle courts to basketball, volleyball, a full gym, and daily fitness classes like yoga, Pilates, and aqua workouts. For relaxation, the Zentropia Palladium Spa and Wellness offers a hydrotherapy circuit, saunas, jacuzzis, and a full menu of massages and beauty treatments. The spa and hydrotherapy come with an additional charge, but it's a powerful reset if you're in the mood to truly unwind. You might also recognize TRS Turquesa from TV. It was chosen as a filming location for Love is Blind, Season 6, which gives you a hint of the resort's romantic, cinematic atmosphere. TRS Turquesa Hotel is ideal. TRS Turquesa Hotel is ideal for couples, honeymooners, and groups of adults who want a sophisticated, all-inclusive escape with butler service, dine-around access to dozens of restaurants and bars, high-energy shows, and a quieter, adults-only environment right on Bavaro Beach. If you're dreaming of an adults-only Punta Cana stay where almost everything is taken care of, and you still have the freedom to explore a huge resort complex, TRS Turquesa Hotel is a standout choice. And that wraps up the first half of our journey through Punta Cana's best all-inclusive resorts. We've explored family favorites, beachfront escapes, and hidden gems that offer more value than most travelers expect. But trust me, the top 5 still to come? They're on a completely different level. From adults-only luxury to next-level dining, from jaw-dropping suites to some of the most exclusive beaches in the Dominican Republic, Part 2 is where the true standouts live. So, if you found this guide helpful, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because the moment Part 2 drops, you'll be the first to know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video for the top 5 Punta Cana all-inclusive resorts. Your dream vacation might be waiting there. Thanks for watching Getaway Compass. Subscribe for more guides to the best hotels, resorts, and travel destinations.